This hair growth treatment will help to stop all the hair problems you have, including hair thinning and hair loss. So if you're interested, grab a seat. Let's get right ahead. The first ingredient we're going to start with is cinnamon. So according to my research, I found that cinnamon can help to reduce hair loss and prevent baldness and thinning hair. Adding cinnamon to your hair care routine can help to support healthy hair by stimulating hair growth and improving its texture and appearance. Cinnamon can help to prevent hair loss. It has natural antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that help to prevent scalp infections. It helps to improve hair length, density, and growth. It helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn helps to stimulate hair growth. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and antifungal properties that help to protect the scalp and hair from external damage, inflammation, as well as preventing dandruff. So if you're losing a lot of hair or you have thinning hair and bald spots, try to incorporate cinnamon to your hair care routine. Another important ingredient I'm going to be adding to the recipe is cloves. Clove is a powerhouse of many nutrients and vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and K. Clove helps to promote hair growth by boosting blood circulation as well as enhancing the scalp with oxygen. It can help to reduce dandruff. It contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that plays a major role in eliminating dandruff and itchy scalp. Clove can also help to add strength to the hair due to the presence of vitamin A. It helps to control hair loss because of its high nutrient composition. The presence of vitamin K and eugenol in clove helps to improve blood circulation by stimulating the hair follicles for healthy hair development. Clove can also be used to protect the hair strands from damage by adding natural color to your hair, which means that it can help prevent premature graying. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is cumin seeds. So there are two types of cumin. There is brown cumin and black cumin. So I'm using brown type. You can use any type that you have. Cumin contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which are essential for healthy hair growth. Cumin can help to strengthen your hair. It helps to support hair growth as well as restoring damaged hair. Cumin can help to reduce hair fall. It helps to treat dandruff, flakiness, irritation, and scalp inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin can also help to control oily scalp by removing excess oil production and buildup. So if your hair is shedding a lot, then you need to include cumin seed to your hair care routine and it will help to control hair loss. So right now I'm going to go ahead and transfer all the ingredients to a pot, starting off with cloves. I'm going to be adding only 2 tablespoons of cloves. I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. So cinnamon is very strong, that's why I'm only using a few sticks, and I'm going to be adding the next ingredient, which is cumin seeds, and I'm only going to be adding 2 tablespoons. After adding all the ingredients to a pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to transfer the pot to a stove. I will allow the ingredient to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. So guys, I went ahead and removed the ingredients from heat and allowed them to cool down. Right now I'm going to go ahead and strain out to get the treatment. So this is how the treatment looks. You can tell by its color that it is potent and effective. Right now I'm going to go ahead and transfer to an applicator bottle so I can proceed with the application. Now I'm gonna cover the treatment and it's ready. Let's proceed with the application process. Most of the time, I like to apply hair growth sprays when my hair is not twisted. That way, I'm able to locate any single hair strand and I'm able to coat each one of them with a treatment. Now, I'm applying the treatment from the root of my hair as I move towards the ends. I make sure to saturate that section, and after saturating it, I use my fingers to distribute the treatment and to finger detangle that section. One thing I like to follow up after saturating my hair is to make sure I twist my hair back and I proceed to the other sections. I repeat the same process to each one of them until I complete all of them. Now, finger detangling has really helped me to grow my hair this long. If you've been watching my videos, you will notice that my hair has really increased in length, volume, and health. Now, if you want to increase hair thickness and if you want to, retain length, and if you don't want to experience unnecessary breakage when detangling your hair, then you need to start finger detangling your hair and your hair will grow longer and healthier than ever before. This treatment is very powerful and effective if you want to increase hair thickness, to stop hair fall, and to stop baldness and hair thinning and dandruff. Then start including this treatment to your hair care routine and your hair will grow non-stop. Your hair will increase in thickness and will grow healthier than ever before. The three ingredients used in this treatment are very powerful. Now, if you want hair growth sprays to work effectively, then you need to start using them as leave-in treatment. So use this treatment as a leave-in treatment and do not rinse it out. Personally, I use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatments and they have really helped me to grow my hair thicker, longer, and stronger. As I said earlier, my hair was looking worse, and since I started including hair growth sprays as leave-in treatment, my hair has grown very beautifully and healthy. Now, one thing I like to do after applying the treatment is to make sure I seal in moisture with hair butter. Make sure to seal in moisture with your favorite leave-in conditioner or hair butter so that your hair won't dry out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and find it helpful, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Join the family and I will see you in the next. Bye.